This is Old Fart on a BMX with the DK General Lee 22-inch model bike check, the short version. Everything's chromoly, frame, forks, fork tube, bars, chromoly hollow cranks, even the t-shirt chromoly. Pivotal seat, stealth seat and post, single wall alloy rims, even though the website said they were dual. Sealed bearings, front, bottom bracket and rear hub. Nice U brakes. DK, which stands for Dad and Kids, started out making goosenecks that didn't break, and so this will be a nice tough forged alloy, I assume. Nice wise levers, and for those that haven't seen the first video, these are just doohickeys I made up to stop my bike getting scratched when I crash. Got materials made up or on order to make neater looking ones that don't stick out as far. So there you have it, in a nutshell, the General Lee 22-inch model. Good for slightly bigger people, adults, etc. And if you want a more detailed look into it, check out my first video.